In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to schedule brand partnerships and UGC campaigns in just a few simple steps. If you're looking to streamline your content calendar and collaborate with brands or manage user-generated content campaigns efficiently, this video is for you. I've tested out the most popular tools, and at the end of this video, I'll give you exclusive access to a free trial of my recommended software. Just check the link in the description. First, let's talk about why scheduling brand partnerships and UGC campaigns is so important. If you're working with brands or collaborating with creators, staying organized and on top of deadlines is crucial to success. It's not just about posting content, it's about managing the relationship, keeping things on track, and making sure both parties get the results they're looking for. The first thing you'll want to do is create a clear content calendar. Whether it's for a brand partnership or a UGC campaign, you need to visualize your posting schedule. The key here is breaking down your project into manageable chunks. For brand partnerships, list key milestones, such as content approval, launch dates, and promo deadlines. For UGC campaigns, you need to factor in content collection deadlines, approval processes, and engagement monitoring. Next, choose a platform to manage this schedule. There are several tools out there, but the software we're using today helps automate a lot of the back-end work. You can easily set reminders for each milestone and get notifications when tasks are approaching. Not only does this keep everything on track, but it also ensures you're not scrambling last minute to meet deadlines. I'll get into more details on that in a second. Now, it's time to schedule the actual content. If you're working with a brand, you'll want to pre-plan your posts with exact dates, times, and any associated hashtags or links. For UGC, this is where your planning can get a little more flexible, since you may be waiting on others to submit their content. The best practice here is to have some buffer time between when the UGC is due and when you plan to launch it. This way, you have room to review and approve the content without any rush. As you're scheduling, make sure to use a platform that allows you to track collaborations. For each brand partnership, record key contact information, deliverables, and campaign objectives. For UGC, track which content has been submitted, which needs revision, and which is ready to be scheduled. This keeps everything clear and prevents any missed steps. Another tip for effective scheduling is automating as much as possible. Set recurring tasks in your software for each stage of the campaign. That way, you're not constantly manually adding new deadlines. You just have to approve and finalize everything as it comes. The last tip is to continuously monitor your campaigns. Once everything is scheduled, don't just set it and forget it. Track the performance of your brand partnerships and UGC campaigns in real time and be ready to pivot if needed. The software we're using today helps with this by providing real-time analytics, so you can see which content is performing well and make adjustments if necessary. The key takeaway from this video is to stay organized by creating a clear content calendar, using the right software for scheduling and tracking, and keeping your brand partnerships and UGC campaigns running smoothly with automated reminders and real-time monitoring. To quickly recap, start with a content calendar. Use software to schedule and track deadlines, set automated reminders, and keep tabs on your campaign performance. Don't forget, take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software I recommend, linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.